Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today I am bringing you something of a haul. But first, if you're new here, my name is Ty and I am an apartment prepper. I've kind of been away from it for a while, but I'm looking at the world and decided that I need to get back into prepping. So I'm back on my prepping kick. Now when I prep with myself and my mother in mind, but I also prep with my niece, her husband, and my niece's baby in mind. My niece is currently pregnant. The baby is due next month. It's a girl. So we're excited for that. And I am in the process of buying things specifically for the baby. Now, what you see in front of you is some items that I actually received. I didn't pay for this stuff. When my niece created her baby registry, I decided to go ahead and create my own baby registry based on her registry because I knew I was going to be buying quite a bit of stuff, right? And you do get a discount when you have a baby registry. You get a completion discount. So I went on and created my own baby registry. Also, when you create a baby registry and buy from the registry, the big retailers will actually give you gift bags full of free stuff. Not full, but they'll give you free stuff. So what I have here is stuff I'm going to put in her to-go bag. That's a swaddle that I'm planning on putting in the to-go bag for added warmth for the baby. They give you tons of sample wipes, so I'm going to put those in the to-go bag as well. This is a sample of Aquaphor. There's a sample of like Jergens lotion that I'm going to put in there as well in case baby has, dry skin or whatever. And then these 3 bottles also came in their gift bags. They are plastic bottles. Now my niece is planning on using glass bottles, but for a to-go bag, I feel like plastic bottles are better just because you don't have to worry about dropping the bag and, having shattered glass or anything like that. So I'm going to put these 3 plastic bottles into her to-go bag. I'll probably wind up sterilizing them, putting them in a big Ziploc bag, and then putting them in her to-go bag. But yeah, that's what I have right now for the to-go bag. Now my HSA resets July 1st, so I'm probably going to buy some medical items to put into the to-go bag then as well. I'm probably going to go to, we have a local place here called Once Upon a Child where you can do like 10 onesies for like $10 or something. So I plan on going there and getting those items, to have baby clothes in the bag as well. And then I also want to buy probably a couple small cans of formula. My niece is planning on breastfeeding, but I feel like, again, for a to-go bag, you want to have some formula in the bag in case mom's not there mom's not there. So I do plan on getting some formula for the baby bag as well. But that's what I have so far for her. I just have to, like I said, I'm still in the process of picking stuff up. And I'm not used to prepping for a baby, so it's kind of a learning curve for me right now. But anyway, that's what I'm thinking about for the to-go bag. Now, I also gave to my niece as part of her shower gift, her baby shower gift. I did give her some medical supplies for the baby as well. That's what I have here in this basket right here. I gave this to her as a shower gift in this basket so she can, keep everything in here, or if she wanted to keep everything in here. But so here are some items that I bought specifically for the nursery to keep in the nursery. So I have this 3-in-1 ear, nose, and fingernail picker. I bought this digital thermometer for her diaper bag. Some Vicks baby rub. This is like a pacifier where you can administer medicine. I bought 2 of these, one for her diaper bag and one for the nursery. These are some gas drops. This is some infant Motrin. You have some infant Tylenol. These are gas passers. This is for baby stuffy nose. Here's another thermometer. Thermometer. And this is for like just to keep in the house. This is a snot sucker. Some Desitin. Some Vaseline. This is like a saline mist inhaler. Here's some more saline spray drops. This is Genexa acetaminophen. This is considered like a cleaner version of Tylenol. And the final item that I have in here is just a cradle cap brush. So anyway, I guess the good thing about the baby coming in the summer is that we've kind of missed cold and flu season, but I definitely wanted to have everything on hand for her by the time the fall rolls around. But anyway, some of the other things that I did purchase cloth diapers, right? So my niece is planning on using disposable diapers, but I decided to purchase cloth diapers for the to-go bag for a couple of reasons. The first one is that they are reusable, of course you have to wash them, but they're reusable, so they'll last longer. That's number one. The second reason though is that disposable diapers, they run by size, so a newborn diaper is not going to fit a toddler. But these diapers, as you can see here, they have the snaps on the front of them. So you can fix the snaps so that it fits a newborn, or it can fit a toddler. So you wouldn't have to, if you put this into a to-go bag, you wouldn't have to change out diapers every couple of months as the baby changes sizes. I wound up buying 6 of these in a pack. They were actually cheaper than I thought they would be. And they do have the inserts already inside of them. But yeah, so that's what I have right now. Like I said, I'm still working on that to-go bag. Gonna buy as much as I can. Next month I would like to have the to-go bag ready by the time baby comes home from the hospital, and I can give it to my niece and her husband then. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a great week. Bye-bye.